Hey guys, kamusta na kayong lahat? I am really glad to be here. Yung Ask an LIA na episode na to is a bit long overdue. My name is Rafi and I'm from Koru Adventures and Travel. Today, let's have a chat about how having a licensed immigration advisor can make a huge difference in your journey to New Zealand. Madalas kasi akong tanungin kung anong ginagawa ko bilang licensed immigration advisor at paano talaga ako nakakatulong dun sa clients namin. Minsan parang medyo vague or malabo yung dating pag sinabi kong nagbibigay kami ng advice na specific dun sa sitwasyon ng aplikante. Kwentuhan ko kayo ng isang case namin para medyo may mas concrete na example. We recently helped a client whose brother and partner were told by 5 different agencies that their situation was too difficult. Marami silang negative feedback na nakuha na katulad ng hindi daw pwede magkasama sila or walang course na po pwede sa green list. Merong mga hindi rin na lang nag-reply after makita yung CV ng kapatid niya. Dahil doon, dumating sila sa point na nawala na sila ng pag-asa. Doon na sila naghanap ng licensed immigration advisor and thankfully kami yung nahanap nila. Naalala ko ba yung initial consultation namin? Kasi meron silang specific course na in mind and sinabi ko na lang sa kanila na pag yun yung inaral, risky na, hindi pa ma-achieve yung gusto nila. So instead, nag-propose ako ng ibang course and yun, meron siyang post-study work visa at clear residence pathway. Higit sa lahat, pwedeng sumama yung partner niya at mag-work. Sobrang non-negotiable kasi to dun sa kanila. We gave them course options from different providers, so different locations, price points, and kami na yung naglakad nung admissions application nung nakapili na sila. As part of the process, nag-advocate kami para mabigyan ng direct entry sa gusto niyang course. Medyo specific kasi yung entry requirements ng program na yun. Tinanggap siya ng school and nung nabasa namin yung offer of place, nakita kong may new visa option na naging available dun sa estudyante. Diniscuss ko to dun sa kanila and pumayag naman sila dun sa ni-recommend kong change. Ironically, mas mura pa yun. And yung result, both the student and yung partner niya nakakuha ng 3-year visas. Ang saya naming lahat when the visas were issued. So, in this case, we did some very specific things. Number one, binigyan namin sila ng advice na talagang tailored dun sa situation nila at nag-align dun sa immigration goals nila. Pangalawa, nag-adapt kami nung may lumabas na mas magandang option. And third, we advocated for the student so that he could study the course he actually wanted to take. So, when you're part of the Koru family, your objectives become our top priority. We tailor our advice and our services to fit your specific needs. Having nearly 16 years of immigration experience enables me to navigate yung medyo complex or uncommon situations para sa benefit ninyo. So if you want to work with someone who genuinely has your interests in mind and the expertise to set you on the right path, get in touch with us. You can book a consultation today and we'll get you started.